At this point, pretty much the rest of this section is going to be doing more examples. Okay, we have one more thing to add on at the end, but for a while now we're just going to be practicing more problems. So for each of these, I want you to go ahead and look at the problem, try it out yourself, and then watch the video to see if you're getting the same thing as me. So for this one, let's go through lie 8. So if I'm thinking about the L in lie 8, I would be looking for any logarithmic functions. Well, sure enough, we actually do have a logarithmic function. It is ln x. So I didn't have to go very far down my list. U is going to be that logarithmic function, which means my dv is going to be everything else. So if I ignore the ln x, I've still got x cubed dx. Alright, so now I'm ready to find the other things I'll need, which are du and v. So the derivative of u, in other words the derivative of ln x, is 1 over x dx. And the integral of dv is going to be x to the 4th over 4. Okay, so I'm ready to go ahead and use my formula now. So I'm doing the integral of u dv, and anytime I do integration by parts, that's going to be uv minus the integral of v du. So let's see, u, v, minus the integral of v du. So I definitely still have some simplifying to do here. So this guy, I'm just multiplying them together, x to the 4th over 4 ln x. This one, I want to simplify that integral before I try to do the integration. So I've got x cubed over 4 dx. And in fact, to help me clean that up a little further, I'm going to go ahead and bring that 1/4 out front. Just makes it a little easier. So now I have x to the 4th over 4 ln x minus 1/4, and I just need to integrate x cubed dx. Okay, well, the integral of x cubed is x to the 4th over 4. So let's see, I have x to the 4th over 4 ln x minus x to the 4th over 16. And I never want to forget, because it's an indefinite integral, throw on a plus c on the end. And that's it. That's my answer. Now, there's like 100 different ways I could write this answer. This is completely correct as far as I'm concerned. If you really feel like it, you could try to factor out a term and write it this way. Okay, that's also correct. I'm not really concerned about which form you end up with. So long as whatever you've done is simplified, that's fine by me. Okay, so either of these would be fine. There's other ways we could write it that are correct too.